Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix call failed on your iPhone, and this is how we can fix it if you're having the trouble. So the first thing what you need to do is we just need to do the first and foremost step is all about try toggling on and off the airplane mode. So to do so we have to go over here at the top on the control center and do like this, and you have to tap on the airplane mode. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Now afterwards we can try turning or disabling it off like this, and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, what we need to do is we have to move to the next one. That is all about eject the SIM, and you have to reinsert it back. Sometimes it's all related to the SIM. So try insert back the SIM and you have to check. For many users, when they try, the call failed issue was fixed by doing this step, so you can try this out as well. Going to the third one is all about we have to change the network selection setting. So to do so we have to tap on the settings here. Now from here what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the mobile service, and from here you have to check the network selection, and if it is automatic it is fine, but if it's not, try turning it on and cross check this as well. Now afterwards, if you're having the trouble still, if it's not fixed, then we have to reset the network settings. For that we have to go over here, tap on the general, scroll it down to the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Go to the reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. So this will wipe the data such as the saved Wi-Fi passwords and also things. So you'll be losing those, but you can connect it back, and this is how we can do this. And most probably afterwards when you try to make a call to a particular number or a friend, it will be working fine. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.